The 2025 KTM 1390 Super Duke GT marks a major leap in sport touring, evolving from an already potent machine into an even more advanced performance beast. Engineered for riders who crave both power and versatility, this latest iteration brings an impressive suite of improvements that elevate both its touring and track capabilities, making it one of the most extreme bikes in its class. At the heart of the 2025 Super Duke GT is KTM's LC8 V-twin engine, now expanded to 1,350 cubic centimeters. This upgrade, shared with the Super Duke EVO, enhances both power output and torque, delivering raw strength and refined performance. The revamped engine setup includes innovations like a centrally positioned ram air intake, a newly designed airbox, and an enlarged radiator to improve cooling efficiency. These changes allow the engine to maintain peak power while enhancing fuel efficiency, ensuring riders get maximum performance without compromise. One of the notable updates is the refined gearing system in the 5th and 6th gears. Unlike traditional touring bikes where these gears serve as overdrive options for cruising, KTM has tailored them for dynamic performance across the RPM range. This shift adds versatility, enabling riders to tap into the power band more effectively, even at moderate speeds, creating a machine that's truly ready to race on both road and track. Styling and ergonomics have received considerable attention from KTM's Kiska design team, with a focus on making the Super Duke GT both aggressive and comfortable. The bike's new LED headlight design, paired with a sleeker, integrated brake light and turn signals, gives it a bold, low-profile look that accentuates its compact, aerodynamic form. Enhanced ergonomics further support long-distance comfort, allowing riders to enjoy extended rides without fatigue, while still embracing its aggressive design for track use. In the handling department, the 2025 Super Duke GT features an upgraded chassis derived from the 2024 Super Duke EVO. This latest generation frame provides greater torsional stiffness and a lower center of gravity, translating to improved stability and front-end feedback. Combined with the latest WP Apex semi-active technology, SAT, suspension, the GT offers adaptive performance tailored to diverse riding conditions. The comfort mode in the suspension setup has been significantly refined, providing a smoother ride for long-distance journeys, while still delivering the sensitivity and responsiveness riders expect in a sport-oriented machine. Safety and control have also seen advancements, with premium braking components from Brembo ensuring reliable stopping power. The front brakes feature 4-piston Stylema monoblock calipers on 320mm floating discs, while the rear setup includes a twin-piston caliper and a 240mm disc. The new MCS multi-click system front brake lever offers riders more adjustability and advanced ABS options, including cornering ABS, Supermoto ABS, and Sport ABS modes, give riders confidence to handle any situation.